In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the Grammarly extension from your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're looking to free up space, improve your browser's performance, or simply no longer find Grammarly necessary, I'll guide you through each step to easily and quickly remove the extension. First things first, let's get started by opening your Google Chrome browser. Now, I know many of us rely on Chrome as our go-to web browser due to its speed and versatility. So, once Chrome is open, your next move will be to locate the three-dot menu in the top right corner of your screen. If you take a look up there, this icon might initially appear subtle, but it's quite essential for navigating Chrome's settings and features. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This action opens up a drop-down menu that reveals a world of options related to your browser's settings. From this drop-down, you'll want to hover your cursor over the Extensions option, which is part of the menu. As you do that, you'll notice that a new menu will pop up immediately to the side or below, depending on your screen. Here, you should select the Manage Extensions option. This choice will reroute you to a dedicated page where Chrome lists all the extensions currently installed on your browser. On this Manage Extensions page, you'll find a tidy collection of all your installed extensions. Now, I recommend scrolling down or using the search bar if you have many extensions to locate Grammarly specifically. Once you find the Grammarly extension on this list, it's time to actually remove it. To remove Grammarly, locate the Remove button right within the Grammarly extension card, which should stand out to you. Clicking Remove prompts a pop-up window to appear, and this is Google's way of confirming your decision to uninstall the extension completely. In this confirmation window, click Remove once more. This second click is crucial as it finalizes your intent to uninstall. After performing these actions, you'll notice Grammarly has disappeared from your list of extensions. This disappearance signifies that Grammarly has indeed been successfully uninstalled from your Chrome browser. With Grammarly removed, you might notice a slight improvement in your browser's performance, or at the very least, you've simplified your browser's menus by reducing the number of extensions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've managed to uninstall the Grammarly extension from your Google Chrome browser with ease. Removing extensions that are no longer needed can help keep your browser running smoothly and uncluttered, enhancing your overall browsing experience. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips.